Have you ever put a GoPro mount on a helmet and then decided you no like the location? Well, that's not a big deal. These GoPro mounts can actually be removed. Now they're not easy to remove, you can't just pull them off, but if you heat it up a little bit, then they'll pull right off. And really all you need is a hairdryer. A heat gun will get it too hot and it could damage the helmet, but a blow dryer will work. So I borrowed this one from my wife. The first step with any blow dryer is you just got to make sure it works. The real trick is you just got to be a little patient. It'll take a little while for it to warm up, but if you're patient and let the whole thing get goopy before you pull it off, it comes off nice and easy and doesn't leave any residue. And then you don't see where it was and you can just stick it in a new place. So if this video was helpful at all, I would greatly appreciate it if you go down and hit the like button. Also, if you liked this video or got any use out of it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I post a lot of other videos like this, helpful videos and gear reviews and motorcycle hacks. So you don't want to miss that. And I will catch you in the next video.